Welcome back to our multi-part video series in better using Stonegate Scribe. Scribe is a ERP tool that lets you better manage your operations for wholesale stone and monument companies. Today we are going to be jumping into the design portion. Let's say Anna is a client of mine. She wants to create a design and a new order for a new product she's offering. From here, she'll click Create Design. This will bring her to our interactive editor page. Now you can create designs on behalf of your clients, or your clients can log in and create their own designs, which helps free you up as an admin to do other things. I want to create an upright. I'll select a Certop, and then from here I can select a color, a size, and a finish. I'm going to choose American Black. I'm going to select a P5 finish. And I'm going to select a bigger size. As I'm doing that, you'll see that the price on the bottom is automatically updating. Stonegate Scribe offers a CPQ tool. This CPQ stands for Configure Price Quote. From the editor page, this is acting as a configure and price quote. Your customers or salesmen can log in and create designs and get automatic price estimates based off of your catalog. Your catalog can be as complicated as you want, and you can create formulas that this is calculated from. You can see I can change the color. This will trigger a price update event, and the price will update below. The next portion on the left-hand panel is the text. So let's add a text box. This added a new bounding box. I'm going to drag it onto the design and say Smith. Let's say this is the design for a family of last name Smith. I can rearrange it. I can increase the size. And you'll see that when I increase the size, it's actually going to update the price on the bottom. This new size cost me $10 more. I can change the font. I can change a color if you offer other colors. I can also go to the back side and add another text box if I want to. For now, let's keep it on the front and move on to art. We are expanding the art library, but I can click Create Art. I can upload my own art, or I can go into the art offered by the company. So this is art that we would upload for you, or you would upload yourself. I can select an art piece, drag it on, and format it however I want. I can increase the size, I can add a color, I can change the texture if you offer different textures. For now, let's leave it as is and add a base. Bases sit under your monument. I'm going to increase the size of the base. I'm going to select the color, and I'm going to select P1 standard. This is going to trigger pricing events and give me a new price estimate for the entire object. Now I want to add a vase. I'm going to select a square tapered vase and drag it below. This is a pretty small vase, so let's increase the size and change the finish. I can rearrange the elements so that it just looks a little nicer. And here is my finished design. You can already see how much this simplifies the pricing estimates of your wholesale business. It also gives the customer a very quick view of how much a specific item will cost. This is very important to improve turnaround time and just give your customers a better experience. Let's click Proceed and add a name. Save. And from here, I now have a design entity. I can see my price breakdown on the right-hand side. I can scroll down to see all the elements of what this design entails. From here, I'm good with the design. I'm going to click Create Quote and add the quantity. This is a custom piece, so I'm going to leave as 1. But if someone is ordering a lot of blanks, they'll go through the same process and can add a quantity of however many blanks they want. And now let's click Create Quote. This is going to start the process of finalizing the order and creating an invoice for the customer. We're going to leave it at this point for now. In the next video, we are going to go over the quotes and order sections. Thank you.